If you've seen this brand, you already know it doesn't do normal products. Ninja is changing something most people don't talk about directly. Everything happens faster, cleaner, and with fewer actions, and that's what makes the difference in cooking. Across its lineup, the pattern is clear: fewer manual adjustments, more automation, and results that stay consistent without extra effort. So once you watch this video, it becomes clear why this brand is everywhere right now. All the mentioned products links are in the description below. Number 25, Ninja Woodfire series. There are grills that do one thing well, and then there is this, which feels like it belongs in a completely different category. It ends up becoming the center of any gathering without effort, and it usually comes with all-in-one functionality, delivering 100% real smoky flavor, operating at 120 volts, and giving you master grill performance with the same char and searing as a full-size propane grill. What's surprising is that you get a real smoky flavor with just a small amount of pellets, almost like carrying a full barbecue setup in a compact unit. Number 24, Ninja Thirsti Max. You turn the control, and within seconds, you have a completely different drink without opening a can or mixing anything manually. It lets you adjust the intensity, the level of bubbles, and even combine flavors to create something you won't find in stores. What's interesting is that every glass can be different without any effort. Smoother, stronger, or fully customized depending on the moment. You can go from something light to a more intense mix without changing systems or making things complicated. Number 23, Ninja NEVERCLOG Juicer. You add hard ingredients, and instead of stopping or getting stuck, it keeps working as if nothing happened. It doesn't splash, it doesn't make a mess, and you don't have to spend time taking everything apart afterward. Even cleaning feels quick. In the end, it turns the whole process into something far more practical than you'd expect, powered by a 150-watt high-torque motor that rotates the auger at low speeds for efficient cold-press juicing, delivering high-yield fresh juice from every ingredient. A built-in anti-drip lever prevents spills, allowing you to pause juicing and pour cleanly while reducing waste. Number 22, Combi Multi-Cooker. Ninja combines steam and hot air at the same time, creating meals that are juicy on the inside and perfectly crisp on the outside. You can cook complete meals like proteins, vegetables, pasta, or grains all together in one go, making food up to 50% faster than a traditional wall oven. It even handles frozen ingredients directly, bringing them from frozen to table in under 30 minutes without losing texture or requiring extra steps. With its all-in-one functionality, it replaces multiple appliances and helps reduce kitchen clutter since everything happens in one space with fewer utensils. Cleanup is simple as well, with dishwasher-safe accessories and a pan that can double as a serving dish. Number 21, Outdoor Warmer. Ninja stepped out of the kitchen and decided to take over the outdoor space as well, with something that completely changes how you experience a night outside. Here you choose whether you want just flames, just heat, or both in seconds with a simple turn. No smoke, no ashes, and no unpleasant smell on your clothes. You turn it on and it's ready, almost like well-made magic. It quickly becomes the spot where everyone wants to gather, and it usually comes with features that let you ignite, extinguish, and control the flame and heat levels with the turn of a dial. No more waiting for wood to light or burn out. Number 20, Ninja Blendboss. Ninja is not playing in the same league when it comes to personal blenders. It may look small, but once you turn it on, it turns ice into snow and delivers smoothies with a texture you would normally expect from much larger machines. What's interesting is that you don't really have to think too much about it. It's one of its smart programs, and it automatically adjusts everything as if it already knows what you want to prepare. You finish, close the cup, and take it with you without worrying about leaks, even while on the move. Number 19, Ceramic Cookware Set. There are cookware sets that look good, and then there are those that can actually handle daily use without giving up, and this one falls into the second category. From the very first use, you notice how everything slides smoothly without sticking, even when you turn up the heat to sear meat like a professional. What's interesting is that you don't have to treat it with extreme care. It can handle metal utensils, heavy washing, and still performs the same, plus the heat distributes evenly across the surface. Number 18, Ninja Smart Oven. You open the door and realize this is not a normal oven. It's two ovens working at the same time without getting in each other's way. On the top, you can prepare something quick, while on the bottom, you cook something more complete. And the best part is that you don't have to wait or schedule turns. Each side works independently, with no mixing of smells, so you can cook completely different dishes without flavors crossing over. On top of that, the built-in thermometer controls the cooking, so you don't have to open the door or guess. It eliminates back-to-back cooking for up to 65 65% faster meal preparation than a traditional oven. 2 separate ovens prevent smells from crossing, so your flavors stay perfectly separate. Number 17, Ninja Slushi. This looks like just another machine until you realize you don't need ice to create perfect slushies. You simply pour in your favorite drink, and in no time, it starts transforming into something completely different, with a smooth texture that is usually hard to achieve at home. It turns any moment into something more fun without effort, using rapid chill technology, an innovative 2-part system that spins an auger around a cooling cylinder to freeze liquid evenly and maintain optimal temperature for perfect icy treats. Temperature and texture controls deliver consistently smooth results in up to 60 minutes at max capacity, and creating drinks can take between 15 to 60 minutes depending on ingredients, volume, and starting temperature. Number 16, Shark Ninja Brewing System. There are coffee makers that just brew coffee, and then there is Ninja, which feels like it understands what you want before you even think about it too much. And this brand, as you've seen throughout the video, doesn't make gimmicks. It also keeps coffee and tea separate so the flavors don't mix, a small detail that makes a noticeable difference in taste. You can even brew tea or coffee over ice at a lower temperature for a smooth, naturally sweet flavor in 10 to 15 minutes. Simply select your tea type and the system determines the right temperature and brewing steps automatically. Number 15, Ninja Crispi Air Fryer. Ninja took all that power and packed it into a compact system with glass containers where you can cook, store, and reheat without switching dishes. You can prepare a quick meal in minutes or make something more complete without creating a mess, and everything still comes out crispy like a much larger machine. Plus, because it's glass, you can see exactly how the cooking is progressing without opening or interrupting anything. It includes the Ninja Crispi Power Pod, 4-quart and 6-cup borosilicate glass containers, and 2 snap lock storage lids. Its 4-in-1 air fryer functions include max crisp, bake, air fry, and re-crisp modes, letting you cook crispy meals or bring leftovers back to like new crunch. Number 14, Ninja FrostVault Cooler. When you get to the end of the day, the last thing you want is to be digging through melted ice to find your food. Here, everything changes because it has a dry compartment that stays cold without getting anything wet, almost like separating 2 worlds inside the same cooler. The ice lasts for days and keeps everything in safe conditions without you having to constantly check it. On top of that, it's built tough, handling bumps, travel, and constant use without issues. Number 13, Ninja French Door Oven. This oven gives you more usable space, letting you cook large meals without rearranging trays or managing space. It works as both an oven and air fryer, so you can switch modes and cook different meals in one cycle without resetting or changing equipment. The 5-quart air fry basket fits up to 5 pounds of fries, making it suitable for family-sized portions. It includes 10 cooking functions: air fry, air roast, whole roast, bake, pizza, broil, reheat, dehydrate, toast, and bagel, replacing multiple kitchen appliances in one unit. Fast preheating in 90 seconds and cyclonic airflow reduce cooking time by up to 60% compared to conventional ovens, while delivering even results and up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. Number 12, Foodi Personal Blender. Now you don't need to stop, stir, or help it along. It simply keeps going and turns everything into a thick, smooth texture at the same time. You can make thick bowls, creams, or lighter drinks using the same system. Switch the cup, and it feels like a completely different machine. Everything responds quickly without making things complicated. In the end, it becomes that tool you end up using more than you expected, powered by a 1,200 peak watt dense motor with smart torque technology that powers through heavy loads. Plus Auto IQ programs for one-touch smoothies, spreads, and bowls, along with pulse and manual speed for 6 total settings. Number 11, Ninja Blender. This blender and food processor comes with an interchangeable 450 watt power pod and includes a 48-ounce pitcher for frozen drinks and smoothies, 40-ounce processor bowl for meal prep and food processing, and a 16-ounce chopper bowl for even chopping. All containers are BPA free, dishwasher safe, and include convenient storage lids for easy storing. The set includes the 450 watt power pod, 48-ounce pitcher, 16-ounce chopper bowl, 40-ounce processor bowl with splash guard, and 2 storage lids. It operates on 120 volt power, and the important thing is that it doesn't feature auto shutoff. Number 10. Ninja UltraCrush. You start with hard ice or dense ingredients, and within seconds they break down as if they were soft. Powered by a 2 horsepower motor delivering 1,500 watts of professional grade power, this blender is built for smooth, consistent results every time. It easily crushes ice into snow using total crushing technology in the XL 72-ounce pitcher. It lets you blend directly in the 18-ounce single-serve cup for life on the go, while the 8-cup food processing system allows you to precisely chop vegetables for fresh salsa or create silky sauces and dips. Number 9. Ninja FlexFlame ProConnect. This is a 5-in-1 smart cooking system that lets you grill, smoke, roast, griddle, and even make pizza using compatible accessories sold separately. Superheated continuous air circulates throughout the cooking chamber, ensuring even heat distribution for faster cooking, consistent browning, and full surface crisping. Precision propane flames allow you to set and maintain exact temperatures from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit using a digital control panel, eliminating guesswork, premature flipping, or manual adjustments. It also functions as a master gas grill, reaching up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit in just 7 minutes for fast preheating and strong searing performance. Monitor and control temperatures directly from your phone with real-time notifications for food status, exact internal temperatures, and doneness levels through the Ninja ProConnect app paired with the FlexFlame system. Number 8. Ninja NeverDull Knife Set. You cut something and instead of crushing it, the knife goes through cleanly with almost no resistance. That feeling doesn't fade over time because the block sharpens the blade automatically every time you use it, keeping the edge consistently sharp without effort. You don't need to learn any techniques or buy extra tools since everything is built in and works almost invisibly. The handle feels secure and precise, giving you better control over every cut. Number 7. PossibleCooker. It offers 6 cooking functions: slow cook, sear/saute, keep warm, sous vide, braise, and proof. You can sear and saute directly in the pot using bottom heating elements, eliminating the need to transfer food to the stovetop. The removable pot is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to finish dishes in the oven for a crispy top layer. With an 8.5 quart capacity, it's designed for large meals, capable of preparing chili for up to 20 people, 9 pounds of spaghetti and meatballs, or pulled pork for up to 30 sliders. Powered by triple fusion heat technology, it cooks up to 30% faster than conventional ovens by combining bottom, side, and steam heat for faster, more even results. Number 6. Ice cream maker. You add a simple mix and what comes out doesn't feel homemade. It has the texture of something from a professional ice cream shop. Here, Ninja completely transforms the process, turning solid ingredients into creamy, soft serve style results without effort or complex techniques. You can make ice cream, sorbet, or lighter versions by adjusting ingredients to your taste. You can also add mix-ins and change the texture in seconds, making every batch different. Everything works with a single button without needing to monitor the process. In the end, it turns every craving into a customized treat without complications. Number 5. Ninja Toaster Oven. It's not just an oven. You can switch from crispy fries to perfectly cooked meat or even dehydration without changing equipment. The built-in thermometer handles precise cooking, so there's no need to open the door or guess. It works fast, saves space, and can handle full meals without feeling limited in capacity or power. You can cook multiple portions without running into bottlenecks, and it stores away compactly when not in use, which is useful for smaller kitchens. Number 4. Ninja Foodi Smart XL. Here, Ninja delivers real grill marks while keeping the inside perfectly cooked, thanks to a built-in thermometer that controls everything for you. It's not just a grill. You can also air fry, bake, or dehydrate without switching equipment. It handles multiple portions at once without losing power, working like a large outdoor grill but inside your kitchen. Smoke is also kept under control, so it doesn't become an issue during use. It is an all-in-one indoor electric grill and air fryer oven that sears, sizzles, and crisps. It uses Ninja's smart cook system with a dual sensor thermometer for precise results, and the grill grate can fit up to 6 steaks or 24 hot dogs, letting you cook mains and sides together in one go. Number 3. Ninja Luxe Café Premier. Brew without limits and without guesswork. From espresso to drip coffee and rapid cold brew, all in one system. It offers 2 espresso styles, 3 drip coffee styles, and 2 cold brew options, including cold pressed espresso and cold brew coffee, with multiple size options ranging from 6 to 18 ounces depending on the drink. Barista Assist technology guides the entire process with recommended grind size, weight-based dosing, and real-time adjustments for temperature and pressure to deliver balanced, cafe-quality results without manual tuning. Hands-free frothing is handled by the dual froth system, which combines steaming and whisking to create smooth microfoam for both dairy and plant-based milk. It includes 4 preset modes for steamed milk, thin froth, thick froth, and cold foam, making it easy to achieve consistent results without trial and error. Number 2. Ninja Power Blender. Here, Ninja detects the texture and adjusts on its own to deliver a smooth result without effort or trial and error. It handles heavy loads without slowing down, crushing ice and dense ingredients as if there's no resistance. You can also make large batches in a single run without losing consistency. In the end, it turns something that normally requires constant attention into an almost automatic process, and it usually comes in at around $149. Number 1. Ninja Crispi Pro. You're cooking for several people, and that usually means dirtying half the kitchen. But here, everything happens in the same glass container. You cook, store, and even reheat without switching anything, as if unnecessary steps disappear without you noticing. What's interesting is that even though it's larger, it still delivers that crispy finish you expect from powerful machines. Even with full meals for multiple people, you can go from frozen to ready in minutes without losing texture. In the end, it simplifies family cooking far more than you'd expect, and it usually comes with everything you need in one system. So that's all for today. Make sure to subscribe and like our video. All the links are right below the video. See you next time.